I've just got a bag from Gaston Luga and I'm about to go open it up. So we're collaborating with Gaston Luga. Gaston Luga started out when there was a French traveller and he had a bag, but it wasn't only practical and it wasn't only stylish, it was kind of both. So using Swedish designs, Gaston Luga are making bags. Before I start, I just wanted to say that Gaston Luga has made a discount code. So you get 15% off and the discount code is Mothership Adrift 15, putting it down in the description. Ooh. So here is my bag and it's in an awesome dust bag. That's really cool. So I've got a wash bag too. It's like a little extra thing. That's really nice. I didn't know I'd get that. But I think I did read somewhere that Gaston Luga gives you a little extra thing with everything. So you might get a passport bag, you might get a wash bag, you might get a tag for when you go on holiday and stuff to put on your bag. So that's really cool. So that's really cool. So inside this dust bag that I could use for my aerial silks, inside this dust bag is my Gaston Luga bag. It feels like normal leather, even though of course it's vegan friendly leather. And if I peel this plastic cover off, I can't get it off. It's got this beautiful gold little plaque. And inside it's got a popper, so you don't actually have to unbuckle it. And it's also got this thing so you can like tighten it and loosen it instead of a zipper, and I like that, that's cool. It's got lots of space. It's got a little extra bit for like an iPad or something here, or a laptop. And also another speciality of Gaston Luga, it has a little pocket here. So if you want to put your phone, a purse, a passport, you can put it in here and it will be close to your back so nobody can steal anything from it. Overall, I think this bag is really cool. It's got lots of space, it's got an awesome way to open it, the leather feels real, it's got a really pretty golden plaque, and it came with something extra. So I really like this. Thank you, Gaston Luga.